In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DeepSeek API in Make.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps me out and allows me to create more content like this. So let's dive right in. First, let's understand what DeepSeek is. DeepSeek is a powerful tool designed to help you leverage advanced searching capabilities within your applications. When we integrate it into Make.com, you can automate processes seamlessly. Make.com, for those who might not know, is a fantastic platform for integrating various apps through automation without needing extensive coding knowledge. To get started, make sure you've signed up on the Make.com platform. If you haven't, simply head over to their website and create an account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The first step is to create a new scenario. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. You'll typically see a blank canvas where you can start adding different modules. This is essentially how you'll set up the workflow you want. Next, we need to add the DeepSeek API. To do this, click on the big plus sign in the center of your canvas. This will open up a panel where you can choose different modules. In this case, you'll want to search for DeepSeek. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your scenario. Once you've added DeepSeek to your scenario, you'll see various options that you can configure. It's best to start with connecting your DeepSeek account. Click on the module and you should see the option to connect. You'll need to enter your API key here. If you don't have an API key yet, don't worry. Just head to the DeepSeek website, create an account if you haven't already, and generate your API key from your user settings. After successfully connecting your DeepSeek account, let's configure the specifics of what you want to achieve. Typically, you'll be looking to set up a search parameter. This might include defining keywords, categories, or even specific filters to refine your search results. Once you've filled in these details, make sure to test your configuration. There's usually a little button that says Test that allows you to run a quick check and see if everything is functioning as expected. Now that we have our search set up, let's decide what we want to do with the results. You might want to store them in a Google Sheet, send them via email, or push them into another application. For this, you'll need to add another module that fits your needs, similar to how you added the DeepSeek module. After integrating that, make sure the outputs from the DeepSeek API module feed correctly into your next action. This connectivity is key for your automation to function seamlessly. Finally, don't forget to give your scenario a name and save it. Once everything is configured, you can activate your scenario. Make.com runs automation in real time, so your DeepSeek integration will work continuously to search and fetch data as specified. And there you have it. You've now integrated the DeepSeek API into Make.com, enabling you to harness powerful search capabilities within your automation workflows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy